what's something that we can do today that's going to make us better tomorrow? Just could be a big thing, could be a small thing, something we can do today that's going to make us better tomorrow.
Yeah. I think my big focus is on people. And so I think you
Yeah.
that one small act of kindness and it just snowballs. You just keep going and going and going. And I think you don't realize what people have behind them or what they're not showing you. And I think you take that one little act and you're not going to realize how it's going to impact that person. Just like giving that mug and the keychain. I didn't think it was anything, but it changed her. It made an impact on her. So I think if we take that one small act of kindness every single day, then they're going to pay it forward and they're going to pay it forward. And I think that affects not only you, but generationally. And I think when we change it generationally, what an amazing place we can have.